I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Create Integration. Search and select Ninja Forms. Select a form. Next, search and select an action. ConvertKit. Give here the API secret key. So please visit ConvertKit API token. Under the API you can show API secret key. Click on Show and copy the key. And paste it into Integrations. Authorize it. Authorization is successfully done. Now click on Next. Select a form. Select Tags. Map the respective fields. Under the actions you can update ConvertKit by checking the box. Here are advanced features in conditional logic. If you want, you can use it for your own requirement. Click on Next. Finish and save it. Go to the Ninja Forms page and fill in the form. Submit it. Form submitted successfully. Now go to ConvertKit site. And you can see the data came successfully in the ConvertKit. Thanks for watching this video.